It's Monday morning, and this one feels different. No alarm, no meetings, no emails waiting. Just silence, and maybe a little fear. If this is your first Monday after being laid off, I want you to hear me clearly. You are not a failure. This moment does not define you. Right now, your mind might be spinning, wondering what you did wrong, worrying about the bills, feeling like you've been left behind. But let's shift the lens. What if this isn't the end? What if this is the pause you didn't know you needed to take back control of your life? You've spent years pouring yourself into someone else's dream, giving your time, your energy, your worth to a company that didn't see your full value. Now, for the first time, it's your turn. This Monday doesn't have to be about loss, it can be about beginning. Start small, go for a walk, write one line in a journal, Google a course you've always wanted to take. You don't need a 5-year plan today, you just need to show up for you. Because the truth is, Mondays still belong to you. You still get to decide who you are, and the person you're becoming in this silence, in this in-between, might just be stronger than ever. Your story is not over, it's just getting real. Welcome to your next chapter.